In today's video, I'm going to show you how to star your favorite Trello boards so you can access them faster and keep your most important projects right at your fingertips. If you're working with multiple boards in Trello, starring them is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and save time every single day. Make sure to watch until the end so you know how to add multiple favorites and how to remove them if you change your mind. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tips. All right, let's get started. First, open Trello in your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Trello home dashboard. From here, look toward the top of the screen and click on the Boards section. This will take you to a full overview of all the boards you currently have access to, including personal boards, workspace boards, and any shared boards. Now that you're inside the board section, you'll see all your boards displayed in a grid layout. Each board card shows the board name and background. If you hover your mouse over any board, you'll notice a small star icon appear, usually in the corner of the board tile. This star icon is what allows you to mark the board as a favorite. To star a board, simply click on the star icon. As soon as you click it, the star will turn solid, indicating that the board has been added to your starred boards. That's it. It's that simple. There's no confirmation pop-up or extra steps required. Now, once you've starred a board, Trello automatically adds it to your Start section. You can typically find your starred boards at the top of your Boards page, or easily accessible from the home screen depending on your layout. This makes it much faster to jump into the projects you use most often without scrolling through your entire list of boards. One of the best parts about this feature is that you're not limited to just one favorite. You can add multiple boards to your starred list. Just go through your list and click the star icon on any board you want quick access to. Each one you select will immediately be added to your favorites. This is especially useful if you manage different teams, clients, or types of projects and need fast access to several boards every day. For example, you might star your main project board, your content calendar, and your team management board. That way, whenever you log into Trello, your most important work is front and center. Now, let's say later on you decide you don't want a particular board in your favorites anymore. Maybe the project is finished or you just don't need quick access to it. Removing it is just as easy as adding it. All you have to do is go back to the board section, find the board you previously starred, and click on the star icon again. When you click it a second time, the star will turn back to its empty state. That means the board has been removed from your favorites. There's no complicated process and no risk of deleting the board itself. You're simply removing it from your starred list. And that's all there is to it. Starring Trello boards is a quick and powerful way to keep your workspace organized and improve your productivity. It helps you focus on what matters most and reduces the time spent searching for the right board. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello bags and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.